Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a great day today. Today, I'm just going to go over spreading the love with you and spreading my love to you, to each and every one of you that I love and appreciate so much. If my voice sounds off, I've been really sick, so please excuse it. Excuse me. It won't be a long video, but I just wanted to get on here real quick. It's been an intense weekend for me, just loving people and all the manifestations that have come into my life. And I just want to spread some of that happiness to you too. You deserve everything that you desire. You deserve to be happy too. You deserve to be loved. We get what we give, so I'm giving each of you some love and hugs virtually. And I want you to pass it on too and help others feel the love. In this hot weather, at least in the States, people tend to be a little grumpy. And that's okay. That's them. They're uncomfortable. I understand that. But we can step in every chance we have and give out hugs and love and just spread goodness here on the earth, even when we don't feel good, which is my case. But this is wonderful August. It's the 12th. It is my son, our grandson's birthday. He's the big 7, my middle grandson. And he's just super excited and loving and kind and getting ready for school, going back to school. So I know this is terribly short, only 2 or 3 minutes here, but just visualize me sending love to you and visualize yourself sending love to other people. Let's make this planet a better place for everybody, and we can start right where we're at. Love and peace and light. God bless to all. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.